Workplace accessibility is moving past just the individual accommodation and really looking at how we all stay connected and create inclusive spaces for everyone. And we need the right tools in place to be able to make those types of interactions possible for everyone at the same level. We started working on the IRTI project with Intel and Accenture in order to explore ways that we could enhance workplace accessibility, inclusion in the digital workspace, especially in hybrid environments where so much of it is digital, and trying to create new types of experiences that could adapt to each individual, make everyone feel a part of the team, and do so in a way that was performant and usable across different devices.
Companies are now having to deal with is, how do I expand my workforce but not lose that whole group that has the capacity to do the job, but they don't have the tools to do it with?
How can we make your life better, not just in the workplace, but just in everyday life? Like, this is not something that you put on at work for 8 hours and then you take off. It's a lifetime thing, and it's like, how can we make it better for you?
So some of the assistive tech we have in the Accessibility Center are ergonomic mouses, laser keyboards. The products are better too, because being able to see things around different perspectives with all abilities really enhances products and just overall makes a much better customer service. The ability to just be able to open up an email and kind of use my voice to say, like, make the text bold. That's incredible.
There's so many other software packages out there that works like 70%. Well, I can't do 70% of my job. So when I'm working with Cephable, it kind of opened my world up.
When I think about all of Accenture and all of our employees, how we're utilizing different software, I do see Cephable playing a big part in the use of apps, or to make the use of the different things that we do better.
Cephable is a software platform that empowers people to control technology on their terms with new types of inputs like adaptive voice controls, face expressions, head movements, virtual buttons, and generative AI to be able to create the types of controls that work best for them across their entire digital world. I think the big focus that we had in the IRTI project was exploring more real-world scenarios with employees from both Intel and Accenture. Tools like Cephable, Microsoft Mesh, Teams, the rest of the productivity suite from Office 365 too, coming together to create an inclusive environment, a productive environment, is really the core of what we're doing with the IRTI project.
We have 42 accessibility centers, and we're constantly expanding. And the beautiful thing about it is that we are prioritizing it because we see how important it is. We want to make sure that we're a barrier-free zone, and we're able to bring awareness as well to this initiative.
For companies that are investing in accessibility for their employees and bringing on more employees with disabilities, they're finding that they're able to create better products that serve more users.
The future is actually being able to actually see a physical space where those companies and employees of these companies can actually interact with technologies and actually being able to get enabled with using these technologies as well.
I believe the future of AI is the future of accessibility. We're going to be creating the most accessible future we can.